Electric cars are taking over the roads, but one question still haunts a lot of drivers: how long do electric car batteries really last? There's a lot of fear out there. Some people think EV batteries are ticking time bombs, doomed to fail after a few years. This video is going to expose the truth about electric car battery life. We'll bust the 10-year myth, break down how battery degradation actually works, explain the role of battery management systems, show you real-world data from high-mileage Teslas, Nissan Leafs, and Chevy Bolts, and then give you practical tips to make your EV battery last as long as possible. If you're thinking about buying an electric car, already own one, or just want to know how EV batteries hold up over time, this is the video for you. Stay tuned to discover how to protect your battery, save money on maintenance, and get the most miles out of your electric vehicle. When electric vehicles first hit the mainstream, rumors spread fast. People said EV batteries only last 5 years. Others claimed, after 10 years, you'll have to spend $15,000 on a replacement. These fears were based on very early battery tech and a misunderstanding of how lithium-ion batteries age. Fast forward to today, and the data paints a completely different picture. Modern EVs, like Tesla Model 3s, Model Ys, Chevy Bolts, and Hyundai Ioniqs, are showing incredible longevity. Tesla's own warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles, but many owners are going far beyond that. Real-world data shows Teslas with over 300,000 miles still holding 80 to 90% of their original battery capacity. That's better than a lot of gas engines at the same mileage. Instead of worrying about replacing a battery every few years, most EV owners find their battery life outlasts their interest in the car itself. The so-called 10-year myth simply doesn't hold up in 2025. All batteries lose capacity over time, but the way you treat your battery makes a huge difference. Let's break down what really causes EV battery degradation. First, temperature is critical. Extreme heat accelerates chemical reactions inside the battery, permanently reducing capacity. Parking in direct sunlight all day in a hot climate is one of the fastest ways to shorten battery life. Extreme cold isn't great either. It doesn't permanently harm the cells as much as heat, but it makes charging less efficient and stresses the system if you charge when the battery is frozen. Second, charging habits matter. Constantly using high-powered DC fast chargers might be convenient, but it generates extra heat and speeds up wear over time. Level 2 home charging, on the other hand, is much gentler on your battery. Third, state of charge extremes. Running your battery all the way down to 0% or keeping it at 100% for long periods causes stress. It's much healthier to operate between about 10% and 80% for day-to-day driving. And finally, aggressive driving, frequent rapid acceleration and heavy braking can also generate more heat and wear out components faster. These aren't theories. Countless studies and EV owners' experiences back up these points. Treat your battery well, and it will treat you well in return. Here's the good news: modern electric cars are built with an internal bodyguard for your battery, something called a battery management system, or BMS. Your BMS monitors the health of your battery pack in real time. It keeps each individual cell balanced, regulates temperature, and controls how fast the car charges or discharges to avoid damage. That's why when you plug in your EV at 5% battery, the car might charge super fast at first, then slow down as it approaches 80 or 90%. That's not a flaw, it's the BMS actively protecting the battery. Many EVs even let you set a charge limit in the settings. For example, Tesla owners often set a daily charge limit at 80% and only charge to 100% when they're going on a long road trip. Some cars offer preconditioning features that warm or cool the battery before fast charging in extreme weather. These built-in protections mean you don't have to micromanage everything. Just use the features your EV gives you, and you'll naturally extend your battery life. Let's move beyond theory and look at what's happening in the real world. A Tesla Model S taxi in Finland logged over 400,000 miles on its original battery, with only a small loss in range. Chevy Bolt owners commonly report over 150,000 miles with almost no noticeable degradation. Early Nissan Leaf models without active cooling did show more wear in hot climates, but newer models with better thermal management are holding up far better. Fleet studies show that most EV batteries degrade about 2 to 3% per year in normal use, meaning after 10 years you might still have 75 to 80% of your original range. For many drivers, that's well beyond their daily needs. This is why EV battery replacement is rare. When you hear someone claim EV batteries only last a few years, they're stuck in the past. The reality today is far more impressive. Now let's get practical. Here are proven ways to keep your EV battery healthy and maximize its lifespan. Read slowly for on-screen bullet points. Charge to 80% for daily driving. Only go to 100% when you need the extra range. Avoid deep discharges. Try not to let your battery drop below 10% unless necessary. Use level 2 charging at home. Save fast charging for road trips or emergencies. Keep your car out of extreme heat when possible. Park in a garage or in the shade. Precondition your battery in very cold weather. Many EVs have a setting to warm the pack before charging. Drive smoothly. Gentle acceleration and braking are easier on your battery and motor. The truth is clear, electric car batteries are far more durable than most people realize. The 10-year myth has been busted, and modern battery management systems combined with smart charging habits mean your EV battery could outlast the car itself. So don't let old rumors stop you from enjoying the benefits of driving electric. With proper care, your battery will keep delivering reliable range for many years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Truth Tuned for more car maintenance tips and EV insights, and drop a comment below. Tell us how many miles your EV has and what charging habits work best for you. Thanks for watching, and keep driving smart.